Galaxy Ring, our latest innovation in health, powered by AI. This is the pinnacle of unobtrusive health technology. Designed to be worn 24/7, the Galaxy Ring is lightweight and comfortable so that you can track your health throughout the day and the night. A true game changer when it comes to sleep monitoring. The Galaxy Ring includes 3 sensors that help measure your sleep, activity, heart rate, and more. And by continuously syncing with the Samsung Health app, it unlocks powerful, personalized health insights. All this with no subscription. Supporting this level of uninterrupted monitoring is its powerful battery, which lasts up to 7 days on a single charge. Yeah. It's truly remarkable how our advanced sensors and a powerful battery are packed into this small form factor. Made from strong, lightweight titanium, you can wear this ring everywhere. We've conducted extensive research and experimentation to engineer the Galaxy Ring so it can withstand varying temperatures, humidity levels, and hundreds of charge cycles. The Galaxy Ring is truly a remarkable feat of engineering. We're proud to pack so much extraordinary innovation into our wearables, including the next device, designed for people with a passion for performance.
The Galaxy Watch Ultra is the ideal choice for adventure across different climates, temperatures, and altitudes. It's rugged and robust, engineered to withstand the stresses and impacts of a life lived to the max. And it looks great, ultra-modern and sleek. Building off our signature circle design for Galaxy Watches, we have added titanium cushion frames to increase durability. As a touring cyclist, I need a smartwatch that's durable and able to keep up with me on every level. Many of my trips take several days, so having a watch with a long battery life is essential. The Galaxy Watch Ultra delivers on this with its enhanced power management system, so I can go longer between charges. It lasts up to 100 hours in power-saving mode. This is possible through powerful optimization of hardware and software, like the 3nm application processor, an innovative big. LITTLE chip architecture, which is 3 times faster than the previous CPU. Our latest watches have even greater improvements in both power efficiency and performance. This is the first smartwatch powered by Wear OS 5 in partnership with Google. The combination of Wear OS 5 and our state-of-the-art processors make the Galaxy Watch Ultra a formidable companion for any adventure. The Galaxy Watch Ultra will be available at $649 US, and the Galaxy Watch 7 will be available in a range of models, starting at $299 for the smaller Bluetooth version. They are available in 2 sizes, with Bluetooth and LTE connectivity. And finally, the Galaxy Ring. It's a revolutionary device that consolidates Samsung Health features into a sleek and lightweight design. It sets a new standard for wearable health, and it will be available at $399 US.
The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is our slimmest and lightest fold yet. When closed, the cover screen is now wider and taller, providing a comfortable viewing experience. It's ultra-modern and ultra-sleek. When open, it's light, powerful, and resilient. We strive to find the optimal materials for every component. Great for the build, great for the design, but most importantly, materials to contribute to our vision of a sustainable future. We're committed to expanding the use of a wider variety of recycled materials in Galaxy devices while providing unparalleled product experiences. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 harnesses Samsung's latest research into materials and advanced engineering to deliver greater peace of mind. We've upgraded the display with new materials to provide our most advanced and durable screen ever. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has an NPU that is 42% faster than the previous generation, which handles generative AI tasks with ease. We've also ramped up the GPU, so you'll enjoy stunning graphics while gaming. And our CPU has been enhanced by 18%, which is better for carrying out all of your tasks. All of this is fueled by an optimized, more efficient battery that drives this powerful chip for extended performance. With the dual-rail hinge structure and strengthened folding edge, the bumps of everyday life are minimized. With the power of Galaxy AI, we're proud to unfold a new era of productivity and creativity.
The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a powerful medium for self-expression. From design to construction, we've reimagined the Galaxy Z Flip 6 to deliver all the incredible innovations of Galaxy AI to our users, with uncompromised upgrades in hardware, starting with the camera. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes with a 50-megapixel wide sensor and a wide-ranging suite of AI tools, powered by the all-new Pro Visual Engine. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 packs more power into its compact design than any previous flip. It comes with the fastest and most power-efficient processor on a Z Flip yet. And with the inclusion of a vapor chamber for the very first time, performance is optimized, and the battery is able to keep up with you all day.
The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro look amazing. That new blade light detail really makes them stand out. It's an iconic and sleek design to match ultimate comfort. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro monitor the fit using the built-in mics to measure sound leakage and dynamically adjust the sound curve and active noise cancellation for the best audio. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro deliver our most intelligent sound experience ever, whether you're listening to music or taking calls. Active noise cancellation on Galaxy Buds 3 Pro filters out disruptive sounds. For a seamless listening experience, the enhancements to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are extraordinary. It is powerful tech in a compact package, delivering the ultimate studio quality sound that lets you experience music to its fullest.
They'll be available at $179 and $249 US, respectively. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be available starting at $1,099 and $1,899 US, respectively.
Life opens up with Galaxy. Thank you.